Oh yes, I'm on the chant up Zion. No more chanting down Babylon. I'm on the chant up.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to share with you guys one of my most recently favorite, does that make sense? Favorite simple recipes. And this is one of those recipes where it's so simple to make. It takes like 5 minutes, lasts you for like 5 days, and you could eat it at any point of the day. It could be for lunch, it could be for breakfast or dinner. You could even use it as a spread, but today I chose to make it into a sandwich, and I left it really simple because I wanted you guys to get creative and add tofu or add seitan or add tempeh, whatever you wanted to add. So that's why I'm giving you the most simplest recipe. And as simple as it is, it's really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned for the recipe. First, we're gonna start off with 2 cups of chickpeas. And just FYI, 1 cup of chickpeas is 32 grams of protein. Then we're gonna begin to mash. This is a preference. You could make it creamy or you can make it chunky. I chose to have it a little bit in between. Next, we're going to take this avocado, but first, let's admire this avocado. Take the pit out. And then we're going to start adding it to the chickpea mix.
We got so much work to be done, but it's not gonna help anyone. We keep on complaining about Babylon. Oh yes, I'm on the chant up Zion. No more chanting down.
Once you're done adding the avocado, you can go ahead and mash it all together.
I'm on the chant up Zion. No more burning down Babylon. I'm on the chant up Zion.
Next, I'm going to take half of a lime and squeeze it as much as I can. Next is half a teaspoon of salt. Again, this is a preference thing. You could add less or you can add more. Give it a little taste if you want to add more. Following the salt, we're also going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And again, we're going to give it another mix. I like to mix after every ingredient that I add. Next, we're going to grab an onion and you're going to start slicing it up, followed by chopping it up into very, very small pieces. If you like chunky onions, you don't have to chop them up as much. I added about 1/3 cup to the mixture. If you're like me and you chopped up way too much onions, no worries. Grab a container, store it away, and use it for another meal. To add to my sandwich, I'm chopping up a little bit of spinach. Also going on to my sandwich is tomatoes. For my bread of choice, I'm using Trader Joe's Quinoa Bread. You can use any bread that you want. Just keep in mind, this is a vegan meal, so make sure your bread is also vegan. Alrighty, now we can begin to put the sandwich together. You can put the spread on each side of the bread or just one like I did. There's no specific order in how you want to layer everything, so get creative. This is probably one of my favorite parts. I'm adding a generous amount of nutritional yeast because it gives it a nice cheesy flavor and also an extra boost of vitamin B12. Once you're done adding the spinach, your sandwich is complete.
Oh yes, I'm on the chant up Zion. No more chanting down Babylon. I'm on the chant up Zion, yeah. They say the faith can move mountains. So let it come move me, let it come move you. Stand up and shout it. Whatever is coming through, let it be something true. Tell all about it. I wanna be strong like Jah.